winter is almost here, and I have an entire village to feed.
Yeah, between you and me, the village could do with a little less feeding, don't you think? He never listens.
Well, it runs in the family.
And when he does, it's always with this disappointed scowl, like someone skimped on the meat in his sandwich.
Excuse me, barmaid. I'm afraid you brought me the wrong offspring. I ordered an extra large boy with beefy arms, extra guts and glory on the side. This is a talking fish bone.
Oh gosh! Oh god! Oh no! Oh, I did it! This fixes everything! Yes! I have brought down this mighty beast! No, you go first.
All right. You get your wish. Dragon training. You start in the morning.
Oh man, I should have gone first. So I guess we'll share?
Reddit.
All mine then. Wow. So, okay. I'll see you, tomorrow. Hey, you know, I just happened to notice the book had nothing on Night Furies. Is there like another book or a sequel? Maybe a little Night Fury pamphlet?
Whoa! Focus, Hiccup! You're not even trying!
Oh, I guess it's just you and me, huh?
Nope, just you.
You talk like us. You think like us. No more of this.
You just gestured to all of me. Yes, I hit it! Did anybody see that? Except for you.
You've lost everything. Your father, your tribe, your best friend.
Thank you for summing that up. Come on. No, Hiccup! Yeah. Oh, come on.
In the ring.
Thanks.
Your mother would have wanted you to have it. It's half of her breastplate.
It's okay. Goodness, what are you doing? We need her to like us. And now the spinning. Thank you for nothing, you useless reptile.
You need to stop all this.
But you just pointed to all of me.
That's for scaring me.
What was it always going to be this way? Because I could get used to it. Yes, I can't wait. I am so leaving. We're leaving. Let's pack up. Looks like you and me are taking a little vacation. Forever.